Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to install VirtualBox in your Windows PC or laptop. So let's begin. First open Google and search for VirtualBox. Then open this first website. Now click on this download link. Okay, now I am using Windows operating system, so I am choosing this option, Windows host. Okay, now see the download has been started. Please wait some time for download to complete. Okay, once the download is complete, simply double click on this setup file, then click next, again next, and click on yes button, then yes, then click on install. Now it will take some time to install the software in your PC. This tutorial is applicable for Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11, whatever you are using. Just wait for the setup to install the software. Okay, now the installation has been finished. Click on this finish button and you can see the VirtualBox has been installed successfully. Double click on it to run the software. Okay, now your software has been ready to use. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel.